Morning everybody. I think we have a nice late night. My staff is giving you an itinerary together with a brochure. Okay, let's see together what are you going to do and where we are sitting. The temple that we are seeing the night temples for you are in Bangkok. At 6:30 a.m. we are leaving the hotel by bus. The tour goes to Wat Ratanakosin. We saw it the beverage on the bus. At 7:30 a.m. the first place we are visiting the city Hirachal. We are visiting Wat Phra Kaew and we are visiting Wat Po. You can read Puthasaya and you can see the Thai masses. At 6:00 a.m. we are visiting Chao Phong Ser Chai. That is the one in three places at Chinese always worship. And we are visiting Wat Sutan Thevararama. At 12:30 p.m. we are servicing the lunch food at Silva Restaurant it's on Khao San Road. At 1:30 p.m. we are visiting Wat Chana Songkhram and we are visiting Wat Nakhon Sitaram. You can worship Somdet Phra Puthajaya Kumaran Sri. At 3:00 p.m. we are visiting Wat Cheng or Temple Dar. You can worship Lwangพ่อ Sammawong. At 6:30 p.m. we are going to hotel with the lucky and impressive name. Have a nice trip.